Yes, I was. Shout out to Big Bug and Raekwon. While I was telling those dimes, yes, it was. Yes, I was. Oh, you gonna keep that in? Yo, welcome to Shammy in the kitchen. Why the fuck do I got all this jewelry on? To cook collard greens. That's what this episode is about. Collard greens. Sounds like such a simple thing to cook. It does, but it's not. I shred my collard greens. I shred my collard greens. They're shredded, my hands are clean. I shred my collard greens. Yes, my hands are clean. Make sure your hands are clean in the kitchen. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody out there, you and yours. Will you let the family in? Or are you doing the coronavirus Thanksgiving? Me, I got people coming over, and I'm gonna use this. Check their head so I won't be dead. You understand? And I know a lot of people out there saying, well, you don't have to have a temperature to have the coronavirus. But listen, it makes me feel comfortable because them motherfuckers coming over. Welcome to Shammy in the kitchen. We cooking collard greens the real way, all right? Shout out to Space Ghost. How you doing, baby? You good? Good, good, good. He don't talk when he's very professional. Check out my ingredients. These are all things that we need to make proper collard greens. Not good, proper, all right? This is the secret ingredient. I will tell you about that a little later. Crushed red pepper, salt. Oh, wait, shout out to AB. This is his salt container. And we have fresh garlic. Fresh garlic, all right? And like I said before, my collard greens are shredded, all right? Some people like it leafy. You know, some people like it torn up. I like mine shredded because it cooks faster. Collard greens have to be tender, all right? We have our ham hocks here, all right? So we're gonna chop these up. We're gonna chop up garlic, and we're gonna insert collard greens into ham hock water. Let me show you the ham hock water. That's ham hock water. Now we're gonna turn on our heat and bring our ham hock water to a boil. Now we chop up our garlic. Should I take all this stuff off? I'll take it off later. Let's just do a fine, we're gonna do a rough chop, and then we're gonna come back and chop it again, all right? Because we have to get this stuff in the pot, because you can't not rush collard greens. Now we're gonna insert, we have our ham hock water brought to a boil, but we gotta get these collard greens in the ham hock water. Sprinkle, don't dump. Sprinkle, don't dump. Sprinkle, don't dump. Shred. I shred mine by hand. Some people use a machine, but I like to use my hands. You have to be very liberal with salt. You have to be very liberal with salt. You have to, because this is gonna disappear, all right? I hope y'all are paying attention, because that goes in there. Garlic in my diamonds, this is silly, you know? Anyway, now let's put this in. Then we're gonna add our ham hock. Man, this motherfucker gonna be good. Oh, this is gonna be good. There we go. Got all our collard greens in. See? Now, see, like, you know, you go to the movies and get popcorn, and you want them to put butter, and then add popcorn and put butter. You want to lay your butter on your popcorn. The same principle, fat motherfucking shit. But the same principle is this. See? You gotta put more salt. Put more salt. Seems like a lot of salt, but when I show you this secret ingredient, then you'll understand why I put that much salt in it. These are ham hocks. They have to be slow cooked for a minimum of 4 hours. See how it's falling off the bone, Space Ghost? You see? I'm gonna eat that motherfucking shit. You eat pork? Great. So cut all your meat and a little bit of fat. You're not gonna put this in the collard greens. You're gonna try to put meat, but you gotta put a couple of pieces of fat because it will render and become one with the ham hocks, okay? Happy Thanksgiving, man. Seriously, man. We got a lot to be thankful for, you know? So now, we're gonna add our ham hock meat to and a little bit of the fat. See, this I'm gonna throw away. You can't put that in there. You can't. I know it's tempting. It's tempting. But you're gonna add a little bit. See, I have a little bit. Don't add too much fat.
No, but you could fry those up and make something else.
Oh God, man, I'm doing a good. That motherfucker make me hungry. Shit, and fry that motherfucker up. Y'all take it out. Want me to take out the garbage?
No.
Shit, that motherfucker hungry. Shit. Cause it ain't touched nothing. You want me to take it out?
No.
All right. It's just a tampon in there. It ain't touched the tampon. Bloody ham, chunky ham fat. Why does this taste like your wife's blood? Chopping up that, you have to chop it fine. You have to chop it fine because it's like a secret. It's like a pleasant surprise when you bite into a piece of ham hock. You're gonna see people say, I use turkey neck bones in my collard greens because I don't eat pork. I get that. But no, you have not tasted collard greens unless ham hocks have been inserted in that collard green. Damn that, what do you call it? Turkey neck bones. Look. Oh my God. It's raining ham hocks. Hallelujah, it's raining ham hocks. Cut up some more. Remember that record? See, that's a nice piece of fat. Look at that fat. Look at that. It's fat. That's fat. Let that get around your heart. You won't wake up. This could disregard. That you disregard. They're gonna hate to throw away that fat, but you have to. You have to. Look at that meat. 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 You got any bread? I'm gonna make a ham hock sandwich. I better be good with some mustard. We gotta do a Shammy in the kitchen where we make ham hock sandwiches. That's ham hock. That's a ham hock. This is 4K? Ooh, I love it. So we're adding our ham hocks to the dish. We're adding our ham hocks. Now we're gonna stir, and then we're gonna put in our special ingredients. Let me take off all this shit. This dumb shit. Fuck out of here. Fuck out of here. Get out of here. All this shit, get out of here. They don't need that now. You have to, see? I got that much meat. Look at this guy. Now we're pushing it down. See? You can make a soup out of this. When I was a kid, my mother used to take the broth, ham hock broth, and she used to put in the cup. If I had a cold or something, ham hock. What the fuck is going on? Man, that's some nigga shit. No, she did. She did. I'm telling you. I don't lie. Don't ever double dip. Get a clean spoon. Okay? Let me taste this broth. This ham hock broth. Don't go back in there. Here comes mama, thank you. Yes, I was. Yes, I was. This is what people don't understand. Crushed red pepper flakes. You have to put that in there. But don't put too much. Now we're gonna, oh man, yeah, that's good. That's a lot. Well, you have to stir it. Now we're gonna stir it and we're gonna simmer on. Oh, man, let me tell you something. This is the secret ingredient. I know a lot of people are gonna say, we already knew about that and all that shit. But listen, a lot of people don't understand. White distilled vinegar. I was gonna say something. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Oh man, look at that. And that vinegar in there. Oh, this is going to be some color. Let me tell you the key. The key to it is to simmer. I can put my jewelry back on now. Simmer the ham hocks. Put them in a little water, cover them. Cover the ham hocks with water, then put a cover on it. And we're talking about 4 hours to simmer that collard green, that ham hocks. So when you go in the supermarket, look for the ham hocks that have meat on them. Okay? Some of them don't have meat on them. All right, but anyway, so that's the key, simmer those, and you have to simmer these collard greens for at least an hour. When they turn dark, that dark, beautiful green. You know that color. This is not the color, but you can tell. Look at that pot. Look at that. I love this time of the year, and I love that I could share this with you, my recipe. Look at them here. Look at that, that's meat. That's fucking meat. Come on. I could put that up against the next one, the best one out there. And they'll say, what is this? Yes, now the collard greens are done. As you can see, oh man, that's restaurant style there. Come on in there. Come on in there and get some of that. Come on in there. That dark green, that's mahogany green. Simmer this for 2 hours. The magic of television. 2 hours, we simmered these collard greens down. Remember? Because they were shredded. All right? So it took a long time, but not as long as it would have took if they were more leafy. That's why I shred my collard greens. I think I tasted it just to make sure. It's fantastic. All right? So now we're gonna plate it and we're gonna try it. All right? Shammy in the kitchen, collard green style. Not hot sauce, Tabasco. You see, hot sauce is vinegar based. This is the real hot sauce. All right? So you put a couple of drops on your collard greens. Boom. Close the cap. I want to thank y'all for coming by to Shammy in the kitchen to see how I cook one of the courses for my Thanksgiving extravaganza. Yeah, they're coming over. They're coming over. But this is what they're coming over for, my collard greens. Let me get one of these ham hocks. Got to have ham hocks on your fork. Oh, a hint of vinegar with those red chili flakes, the garlic, the ham hocks. Oh, One of the best I've ever done it. Oh my God. With that cornbread. Oh. Thank y'all for stopping by. Thank you for stopping by Shammy in the kitchen, collard green style. And remember, follow the directions and you will be in the right direction. Shammy in the kitchen. Bon appetit.